Hey everyone, it's Dr. Baird at Evolve Performance Healthcare. Today we're going over the suitcase kettlebell march. So again, another great exercise to improve single leg strength, improve single leg balance in a very functional way, a way that kind of gets your core and the whole body involved and simulates, real world movements, carrying heavy weights, things you need to be able to do to get throughout your day. That's one of the reasons we really like this exercise. So to do it, you're gonna need medium to heavy weight. And main thing before you get started, make sure you're creating a little bit of tension on the weight. So when you hold any sort of heavy weight, you don't want the weight pulling you around. You don't want, again, it to be dropping your shoulder like that. You don't want to have to be leaning to one side to hold it or having it pull you down like that. So again, we create tension with a 25% grip on the weight. It's going to create tension up the arm, rolling the shoulders back, and then we're just going to march in place. So again, not a quick march like that, enough to really focus on balance and control. So all it's going to look like, quick second hold at the top, just enough to get a little bit of balance on your stance leg, and back down. There you have it. That is the suitcase kettlebell or dumbbell march. Thanks for watching.